literally 1 p.m. on a Friday, and Jenna over here decided that we needed to go grab a beer. She decided to go to the most random place in the world. And I stopped at the post office on the way here, and she's just as impatient as I am. So I'm going to let her open these, and let's see what's in them.
Oh, I get to open them. Thank you.
It's like Christmas, girl.
Oh, everything except everything says flip.
Read the message.
Jenna.
Read the message at the front.
Flip nah. We're going to cut that out. Jenna, love the videos. Thank you. I look forward to Mondays and Wednesdays. Ride safe.
You're part of the videos?
Sometimes.
Do it the fun way.
It's too late.
Oh.
This is fucking rad. What a nice rad.
That is officially my first Harley clothing.
Yeah. It's a good piece. But also doesn't fit you,
Thank
so
you.
it's for me.
Somebody needs to send Jenna a Harley shirt.
I want one too. I want one too. Damn, were you expecting this?
I wasn't expecting anything.
Another Harley. Got a challenge coin, bud. 2 of them.
Oh shit!
Wildcat, which is the Lightning's goalie, so good luck's here.
Well, it looks like we gotta rub those together or something now that we're in the playoffs or whatever.
Yes, you should rub them together. But you have a note.
Read it, read it, read it.
Thanks for making great content and being the best. I'm gonna say hetero lofo mates on video since Jay and Silent Bob. Keep up the good work. Chris J.
This one's got something hard in there as well. Here, let's...
Oh. Maybe it's something hard. Harley-ish.
It's not just stickers or a letter. There's something else in there.
From the same person.
No, these are all different people.
Okay. It's just Harley.
Jenna.
I'm sorry. There we go. Sorry. Wow. Oh. We got a lot of cards from 9 Miles on 2 Wheels.
Okay, so if I'm not wrong, 9 Miles on 2 Wheels is currently going to chemo for his aggressive cancer that's fucking eating away at him inside. I believe there's a GoFundMe, which I'm gonna link down in the description. So if there's anything you can do to help this guy, help him out, because this is not a cheap situation. It's not a fun situation. Just show the guy some love. Give him $5, give him $2. I don't care. Just show the guy some love.
This says, big fan. Here's some stickers and spam cards for you and Shade Tree Surgeon. Would write more, but the chemo is causing my fingers to tingle, making the hand hard to write. Hell yeah. That's fucking rad. I like these.
Now for the biggest package.
That's a lot.
Other than shade trees, which
Yeah.
for whatever reason there's a backrest or something on there.
Ready?
I hope you just cut a t-shirt.
I did not, but I was close. It could have been. Hey, we know this guy. You got a whole bunch of shirts.
Well, if that isn't fucking appropriate for right now.
Sorry. My beer, I don't...
What a better place to get that t-shirt. All right, that's enough of that. I'm gonna go back to drinking and having fun with my new friends and old friends. And I'll see you back in the garage. So after the beer shed, we went over to Mr. Dunderbox, which you will see in this video over here. You've been there before. We grabbed a pint and something to eat, and now we're back at the shop. Does Josh really need a backrest? If you're gonna send me stickers, I cannot put it on the box. While we're out here, So when I changed the stator, I know, you're all gonna say it, you all have said it, I've heard it 10 million times. When you're dealing with the charging system and you gotta change out the stator, typically, more likely than not, you gotta change out the regulator as well. So when I talked to Shelby the other day and we were checking it, and it seemed like it was really overcharging. It was really high. We were both kind of getting a little freaked out. I thought the battery was gonna explode on me trying to get it back here to the shop. But Shelby texted me yesterday and apparently his multimeter is off by a couple of however measurements that is. Yeah, his multimeter is just not working properly, and it's showing that all batteries that he's tried since to be overcharged. So I'm gonna borrow my main man Josh's multimeter here at the shop, put it on the battery, see what happens. Maybe it doesn't need a new regulator. It's a really tight fit in that corner. Okay, so from what I remember, which I don't. So from what I remember, it's not that hard. You can put this, that, and there. So the battery's supposed to read at about a 12 change when it's not on. About 13, 14, high 13s, early 14s, I believe it was when it's running. So let's put the things on the things and let's see what the thingy says. That's about where it's supposed to be. Let's crank it and see what it says. According to this multimeter, it's working perfectly. So, $126 I don't have to spend. Well, that's reassuring to know. It doesn't need a new regulator yet. This makes it a little easier. This feels weird talking about on this platform. I've said before, and I'll probably say it again a few more times, this whole YouTube channel, I'm trying to keep it as positive and lively as possible. I don't want to bring negativity towards this. I just want to have fun and show people having fun and achievements, and just, this isn't supposed to be a bad thing. For some of you out there, you have noticed that I didn't post a video on Wednesday, and this is being filmed on Friday. I have plenty of time until Sunday. Still not sure if I'm going to put this out on Sunday or until next Wednesday. But the thing is this. Might as well just go ahead and say it. I've suffered from severe depression since I was about 8 years old. The best way I've learned to deal with it is just don't get out of bed. Just call a mulligan. And this week has been one of those weeks where I needed to call a mulligan. It just, like, for whatever reason, it just hit me super hard. And it's like, don't feel good, don't feel creative, don't feel positive. It's a very strange thing doing this when you just kind of grab a camera and just go, yo, what's up, everybody? You turn it on like that. I'll go from completely quiet to, what's going on, folks? Slipknot here. That's how this works now. I couldn't do that week. I didn't have it in me. I'm not trying to make that an excuse, because the cool thing about this YouTube channel so far is not only do I want it to be inspirational for you folks. You folks have been inspiring me by sending me all this. You take time and money out of your own pocket to send me things. Thank you. I have no words for it. And that inspires me to make these videos and keep making these videos. That's what I've been trying to do. And I'm not trying to turn this into a bribe thing, like you keep sending me stuff and I'll keep making videos. You guys never send me anything again, I'll be perfectly fine with. The point is that there's a point when you realize that there's an audience and you have an obligation to that audience, and then you want to make that audience happy. At this point, the engagement has just been amazing, and fuck. Whatever it is, just, guys, at the end of the day, thank you for everything that you've done for me. You're helping me wake up with a purpose in the morning. I really appreciate it. and all the cool stuff is really awesome. But like, just the fact that all I ask of anybody is just watch. You don't have to be a Patreon. You don't have to send me anything. All I ask is watch. That's all you have to do. That's the great thing about YouTube. All you have to do is watch. My depression isn't something that I really like talking to anybody about. I've never really spoken to anybody about it. There's a certain amount of my depression that I'm pretty sure is just a given to the people in my life. Never really talked to my parents about my depression. I just know that they know that it's there. You know, like I don't bring it up with my friends, but they know that I have a bad problem with depression. And I don't want to bring it on you guys. I don't want to bring a burden. It's been such a long-running thing with me that it's not new. I don't know how to stop it. I know how to tolerate it. I know that if I have to get something done, I can get it done. I know that if I can give myself a day, I will be better tomorrow. If I can give myself a week, sometimes that actually does the opposite effect, but I can always collect myself at a certain point. This is really difficult for me to talk to this is difficult for me to talk to myself about it. Like, I know I'm having a conversation with you folks, but I know that I'm also having a conversation with myself. This is difficult for me. Just because it is what it is at this point in my life. I can't stop it. I don't want to, like, I don't have the ability to go see a doctor about it. It's just part of the fact of who I am. I've been depressed for the majority of my life. That if I was missing a thumb, there's things I wouldn't be able to do, but there's things that I wouldn't know how to get around it. Just because it's been so long and such a part of my life to this point that it doesn't really matter. It's not a thing anymore. I mean, there's triggers, and it's taken me until my late 30s to learn how to control a lot of those triggers and not let them bother me. And by not let them bother me, it doesn't mean it doesn't bother me. It bothers me inside to all hell, but just to keep moving past it until you get past it. Don't let it stop you. Don't let it slow you down. Just keep moving forward. It'll be done. It'll be over with. You know, you can make it from point A to point B if you just keep moving forward. You might have to trudge through some shit, but if you keep moving forward, you get past it, and that's where I'm at in my life. Oh well, man. Whatever. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. And what will be is people are just shitty people and just want to live in their shit. And if they can bring you down with them, just don't fucking let them. I'm so sick of it. I know this took a complete left turn, but you know, it's like I have friends and I've always tried to treat my friends with respect. I always try to go as far out of my way for my friends. And then when they decide that they're in a bad mood and they want to shit on you to make themselves feel... I don't even think people are trying to make themselves feel better. They're just trying to bring you down to their fucking garbage. You know, it's not my fault you are where you are. But I'm not trying to make your life worse. Why are you trying to do that to me? And you want to know what, man? Here's the deal. I only want to keep people in my life that are worth a shit. So you know what? I'm gonna go meet up my friend Shelby up at the Dirty Shame, and I'm gonna buy him as many beers as I can because he's a good friend and he's been there for me. And like, that's the kind of person I want in my life. This whole day has been way more personal than I had ever intended to put into these videos, but at the same time, this is a vlog. This is me bringing you guys into my life, so this is part of my life right now. So with a note of me just oversharing today, this is where I'm going to end this video. Folks, you know how this works by now. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, catch you on the flip side.